How to check your bank balance on PayPal. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser, or you can move into the application PayPal. The choice is yours. Once you're in the web browser, in the search bar, search for PayPal. Head over to the very first site, paypal.com. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in the official site of PayPal, click on Login at the top right corner. It will land you on the page where you will be able to enter a login credential, enter your email address or phone number, and then tap on Next. Enter the password of your account, and then you will be logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in the very front page, you will be able to see your PayPal balance. If you click on it, you will be able to see more detailed information. So this is simply how you can check your balance on PayPal. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.